20 hours a week, I make no less than 4,000 a month.
I don't know what I would have done if it wasn't for loan signing. On two levels, the people and the pay. So I'm so grateful that you tapped into your gift and that you didn't gatekeep and that you didn't try to figure out something else to do, because coming across you literally saved my life these last 5 years, honestly. Literally. Like, there's no other way to put it. I don't have a degree. I worked at a utility company. I always felt like if I lose this job, I would have to go to another utility. So to find something that I could do and my daughter could do at the same time, her confidence has changed. Just a sense of relief of if mommy can't do it when she was away at school, then I can. And one more thing, I'm gonna be transparent. I have taken a lot of courses. I don't even finish them. You put everything in there. And then what you didn't put in there, that mentorship, when you come back and add to it, I mean, and I've taken a mark, I have put in time in this business and money, because yours was the second one I did after the first one. Between me and you, the first one said, okay, now that you finished the signing, do you feel like you could be a signing agent? I literally put no on the survey. I put no. I'm not ready. You ain't teaching me nothing, right? So with yours being the second one, I was just over the years, I will wonder, maybe it's something else. This I always come back. LSS, you don't have to do nothing else to that. You're so professional. You thought and think everything through. You give your heart and soul, and it shows. These other people, they just want to train people to say they can and make money. You give us everything we need. And I'm so thankful that you take what you do so seriously. I have done them all and none of them could compare. Not one. Not one course. They're not even in a race with you, Mark. As my daughter said before she left, she said, Mommy, I'm so proud of you. She said, just this would be like if Beyonce called you and said, she said, Mark is the Beyonce of loan signing, period. No comparison. Nobody's in the same lane as you, Mark. Nobody. Nobody. Nobody.
I'm literally speechless, and I'm like rarely speechless.
Nobody.
Thank you. Receive those words.
Yeah, please keep doing what you do. You give us your heart and your soul, and it shows. I can tell you don't do this just to get our money. I can tell you want us to learn and be the best at what we do when we come through your course. I can tell it's not about the money with you, but I know that's not your motivator, because you could keep it so surface level with us and you don't. You make us the best. That's why I'm so confident, because I'm like, I learned from the best, honestly. I learned from the best. Your heart and soul in that course. And I'm
Thank you.
so appreciative. All of us should be.
Thank you. I'm like choking up. I receive it. I do. And I want to say something back to you. Everybody has the same course. Not everybody does the same thing with it.
Yeah,
And so the success you experience is because of you. I'm the
thank you.
coach, I'm the cheerleader, but the players make the plays. And you're the one executing flawless signings. You're the one over reading, over studying to make sure you know what you're doing for your clients.
Yeah,
You're the one being professional and putting on a face, even though everything else behind you isn't what it should be. And so I'm going to give you back the flowers and say
thank you,
that
Mom.
not everybody does what you've done with this business.
Thank you.
And I'm proud of you. And
Thank
I still know that there's so much more that you can accomplish. And
you.
I know that this is still the beginning of your journey. And I literally can't wait to watch the rest of the story unfold.
Thank you. I can't wait to be back with you.
All
I
right,
can't. I'm
let's
excited.
go. And know I'm here if you need anything, okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you,
All right.
Mark. Thank